Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home. So, today in your social science class, we are going to do chapter number 4, Creating Harmony. Topic is Birth of the UN United Nations. So, let's discuss about the definition of United Nations. It is an intergovernmental organization that aims to maintain international peace and security, develop friendly relations among nations, achieve international cooperation, and be a center for harmonizing the action of nations. So now, how does the UN work? The UN is broken down into several groups. Each group has its own responsibility to keep the UN running smoothly as a whole organization. There are currently 193 countries that are members of the United Nations. Okay, now aims of the United Nations to keep peace throughout the world, to develop friendly relations between nations, to work together to help people live better lives, to eliminate poverty, diseases, illiteracy in the world, to stop environmental destruction, to encourage respect for each other rights and freedom. Look at the image of this is the flag of United Nations organization. Now look at let's try to from your book course book 49 page number. These are the questions related to let's try to. What can be seen in the center of flag shown? A word map can be seen in the flag shown in figure 3. Second, how is the symbol on the flag shown in figure 3 different from the symbol on other national flag in figure 2? Other flags show symbols like star, moons or lion which have nothing to do with the word. Which of one of these flags stands for a united and peaceful world? How do you know that? The flag shown in figure 3 stand for a united and peaceful world as word map be seen in it as it is surrounded by olive branches which stand for peace. This flag is not of any country but of international organization. Now, birth of the UN. It is clear from the name itself that the UN is an organization of independent nations brought together to encourage peace and cooperation among nations. The logo of the world map on its flag represents all the people and countries of the world. So, do you know how the UNO began? In the 20th century, the two world wars had serious effects all over the world. In World War 1914-1918, World War II 1939-45, millions of peoples all over the world lost their lives. World War II was the most destructive of the two. It lasted for 6 years and ended with the dropping of atom bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan. More than 1 lakh people lost their lives in each city. Okay, now why was the UNO formed? To maintain peace in the world, the League of Nations was formed in 1919 after the World War I. Toward the end of World War II, countries felt that there should be an organization to keep peace in the world. This thought led to formation of United Nations organization on 24 October 1945. 51 countries became the founding members of the UN. India was one of among them. Today, the UN has 193 member countries. The headquarters is in New York City. Okay, now students, this is the let's try 3 on page number 51 from course book. Do it in your course book and let's connect page number 55. Do let's connect in your notebook. So take care. Thank you. Bye bye.